Hey guys, welcome back to Crafty Monkey. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper box with a lid. All you'll need are two square pieces of paper, a scissors, and of course your hands. Now today I don't have a square piece of paper, so I'm going to use rectangular pieces. The first step is to get your piece of paper and fold it like a triangle, like so. Make sure you crease the edge. This will help in a later step. So if you don't have a rectangular piece of paper, make sure you fold it still like a triangle. Now you're going to get your scissors and carefully cut along this line. Now you can use this rectangular piece for a different art project. Then open up the piece of paper so you get a square. The next step is to fold it in the opposite diagonal, like this. Make sure everything is creased well. Now you're going to fold it in half horizontally. Do the same step, but vertically. As you'll see, there are a lot of creases that we have to make in order to make this box. The next step is to get the edge and fold it to the middle, as so. You're going to do the same step on the other side. Now open it up, turn it sideways and do the same step. Now you're going to put your piece of paper so it looks like a diamond. You're going to get the corner piece and fold it to the middle. And you can see that there are two lines here that'll show you where to fold it towards. Do the same step on all four sides. Now, you're not going to unfold all of them, but you're just going to unfold the top flap and the bottom flap, as you can see. Now, over here, you can see a corner piece, right? And here, there's a line. I'm not sure if you can see it, but in real life, it's much easier. Over here is the midpoint, and you're going to fold it that way. I'll do it on this side so it's easier to see. Now, this is a very hard step, so make sure you pay attention. Now, as you can see, you can get a sort of fold here, and you need to make sure that you keep it parallel to this line. Otherwise, the box won't form correctly. Once you get the hang of it, it'll be easier to do when you're making the lid. Now over here, you can see I've made a mistake because it's sort of creasing in. So you just need to use your fingers to push it out to correct the mistake. Now, push your piece of paper down so that the crease is now formed. Do the same thing on this side. Again, make sure that this line is parallel to this. We'll try to keep it as parallel as possible. Now, what you're going to do is, see this line over here? You're going to take this piece of paper and fold it on top. You may want to pause the video while you're trying to figure this step out. Now, you need to crease it. And over here, the box kind of looks kind of cloudy, so you're going to make sure you crease that too. If you want, you can actually fold the whole thing this way to make sure you get that sharp edge. And do the same thing on the other side, just like flip it around and do the same thing. Now, as you can see, it's like a bit difficult, but you will get the hang of it after a few tries. And make sure not to rush these steps if you want to get like a perfectly curated box. As you can see, these two lines are parallel, and now I'm going to fold it across that line right there. Now, as you can see, it's not quite straight, so we're going to bend each side to make sure that it's straight. You can see it's really worth the time, and make sure that nothing extra is folded. Okay. Now that you've got your base piece, this is where like you can put a present, any items. Now we have to make a lid. Now a lid is pretty much the same, except there's going to be one different step. So like before, we're going to fold it into a triangle, like so. Now it's best if you try and make the triangle like as similar to your first triangle as possible, because it really helps like the lid to fit the actual box. Get your scissors and begin cutting along this line. Now you can dispose this rectangle or use it for another art project. Unfold it. Now we want to repeat the same steps as before. So we're going to fold it horizontally like so. And crease. Do the same thing on here. An easy way to crease it is not by your nails, but actually your finger. See this top bit of your finger? You get it across and just slide it over and use like the right amount of pressure. That really helps get like these nice creases. And now you're going to get the edge piece and fold it to the middle. Now without these extra creases, it may be very hard to form your box, so don't skip this step. And unfold it and do the same on this side. As you can see, like a grid is forming when we're doing all these folds. Now we're going to fold it inwards like this. And as you can see, I'm using that same part of my finger here to get these perfectly nice creases. If you watch my other origami videos, you can see how easier it makes to do really nice creases. Now, just like before, you're gonna take these two flaps that are like opposite each other to make the box. And you're gonna push against this line. Again, this is the tricky step coming in, so it's okay if you don't get it like first try. But, yeah. And again, we're gonna crease that. And you can see these two lines, they're parallel to this one. Now the only thing with the lid is that instead of moving to the point, you're going to try and leave like a sort of gap when you're folding it in, because this will create make the box slightly bigger, so you're not like squishing your original box inside. And then you're gonna get this piece and fold it in like earlier. Now as you can see, my two flaps are coming out, so I'm just gonna try and fix them. And again, crease this down. Now as you can see the effect of the previous step, now there's like a slight gap between the middle. This allows us to realize that we've made a sort of bigger box, because this will actually be the lid. Make sure that these lines are as straight as possible. And again, you want to crease these. Make sure that they fit well. Well, this is kind of becoming not shape-like, so now we're going to get our previous box, and basically we're going to flip it over and sort of push it inside. And as you can see, it's fitting very nicely. So you've got like the blue lid, the pink box. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment this video, and make sure to like. Have a good day, everyone.